Welcome and thank you for taking a moment to join me. I'm Dr. Chris Borg, a chiropractor here at Provolution Health, and today we're diving into vertebral subluxation. So the Australian Spinal Research Foundation defines a vertebral subluxation in 5 different categories. So the first is the diminished state of being, second is a compromised state of reduced coherence, 3 is altered biomechanical function, 4 is altered neurological function, and 5 is altered adaptability. So how do these categories present in a chiropractic office? So in terms of altered biomechanical function, we have uncoordinated movements patterns, abnormal movement patterns, painful movement, reduced mobility, fixated joints, degenerative change, dysfunction or damage, scoliosis or loss of the natural curves, and inflammation. In terms of altered neurological function, we've got altered messages within the nervous system, altered messages back to the brain, pain and diminished neurological regulation of systems of the body, altered perception of how a person engages with the world, altered adaptability, what that presents as reduced variation in heart rate, reduced coping or capacity to adapt, lack of resilience, altered skin conduction, altered thermoregulation / skin temperature, and increase or asymmetrical muscles tone or spasming, reduced coherence, interference in the quality of forming the unified whole, resulting in diminished state of self-regulation, disharmony or imbalance, diminished state of being, so being disease or dysfunction, being out of balance, not experiencing peak health or full expression of life. So how do we address this? Well, chiropractors are trained to locate and correct these vertebral subluxations using precise neurological adjustments. These remove interference between the brain and the body, helping restore optimal function. So curious how this might be affecting you? A chiropractor takes a full health history, spinal assessment, advanced imaging, which can reveal the root causes of dysfunction. So getting in touch with a professionally trained chiropractor here at Provolution Health to start realizing your full health potential.